Hello and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today we are looking at TEKS tools, strip diagrams, specifically part whole, and we will use it to solve a problem for TEK 3.5a in 5 minutes or less. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So when we are looking at addition and subtraction problems, we can typically use a part-whole strip diagram to represent the relationship. And so typically we're looking for the total or we're looking for the parts. And so when we look at this problem, we do see that we have a total right here. A toy store has 625 stuffed animals. All right, so when we get a statement like that, that's going to be our total or our whole. And then it looks like we're going to get some parts. On Friday, the store sold 158 stuffed animals, so that's one part. And on Saturday, the store sold 94 more stuffed animals than on Friday. So 94 more. So we have a comparison between and Saturday and Friday. And then this is also another part. So it looks like we've got two parts. One part we're going to have to compare with another part to figure out what it is. But take a look at the question. Which strip diagram can be used to find the total? Well, that's interesting. They're asking for the total, but I have a total, 625. But look what they're asking for. Stuffed animals on both days. So this is one of these situations in which they are giving us extra information. I've got two totals. I've got 625 stuffed animals. That's my whole. And then from that, I sold some on Friday, some on Saturday. But I'm also looking for a total or a whole. But the total is different than what they give me, which means I don't need this. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this red. We're going to cross this out and we're going to say this is extra information. So every once in a while, you will get something that shows you extra information and you just don't need it. And that's okay. So I'm looking for my total of both days. So this is going to be Friday and this is going to be Saturday is what I'm needing. So Friday plus Saturday is what I need. So I could represent it like this. I can say my total is going to be on both days. So I can say Friday and I can say Saturday. Well, the Friday is easy. The Friday is 158. So we can make it look like this. And we can replace Friday with 158. The problem, and I'm going to give myself a little bit of room. Problem comes when we get to Saturday. They didn't sell 94 on Saturday. On Saturday, they compared two quantities. They sold 94 more than they did on Friday. Okay, so let's take a look at this right here. We're going to use another strip diagram, a comparison strip diagram. How many did they sell on Friday? Well, I'm going to put Friday. They sold 158. How many did they sell on Saturday? 94 more. So I'm going to make my second one a little bit longer, right? And I could do it like this. And I can say this is 94 more than my 158. And so if I wanted to put Saturday in there, well, I could say it's 158 plus that 94. And if I were to get the total here, I could figure out how much they sold on Saturday. So let's add these two. 158 and then 94 more than that. It's going to be 12. That's going to be 15. That's going to be 252. So if I wanted to put the actual total of Saturday, I could put 252. But that's not any of my answer choices. They want me to show this. So I could show this is Friday, and then Saturday could be this. I could show it in two parts, the 158 and then the 94. That 94 more than on Friday means I need to add that there. And as you can see, our answer is going to be C.